In the traditional aqueous dyeing process, large amounts of water are consumed and the wastewater has to be discharged to the environment. Due to increasing environmental awareness, waterless dyeing technologies have received considerable attention in the textile industry. One such technology is non-aqueous solvent medium, NASM dyeing. Supercritical carbon dioxide, SCCO2, is an NASM candidate suitable for textile dyeing. Supercritical CO2 is CO2 in a state above its critical temperature and pressure. A number of dyestuffs used in industry are soluble in supercritical CO2, making it suitable for textile dyeing. HKRITA has developed a supercritical CO2 dyeing system that is capable of dyeing synthetic, natural and blended materials. When loading the dyestuff and the dry textile in the system, supercritical CO2 dissolves the dyestuff in pressurized conditions. Dyeing and fixation is done by the circulation of the supercritical CO2 and the dissolved dyestuff around the dyeing vessel. The time required for NASM dyeing ranges from 60 to 240 minutes compared to 180 to 240 minutes required for water dyeing. Up to 90% of the NASM used in the dyeing process can be reused. Since it is a waterless process, wastewater treatment facilities are not required, and the overall operating cost could be reduced by 5% or possibly more. The project has developed a pre-industrial scale system with 2 dyeing vessels, each of 200 liters. This one system for all design is able to carry out dyeing processes on yarn, fabric or whole garments. Its dyeing capacity is up to 20 kilograms of yarn cones within 4 hours. Also, about 5 kilograms of garments can be dyed depending on their sizes and shapes. This system is novel, the first of its kind in the industry. Synthetic, natural and blended materials were dyed and tested against 6 AATCC standards in color fastness and tearing strength with satisfactory results. This indicates that the NASM dyeing method has the potential to replace the traditional aqueous dyeing method. In traditional aqueous dyeing, water acts as a solvent medium for dissolving the dyestuff into the substrate in order to carry out the dyeing process. The new NASM dyeing method provides a highly satisfactory performance and, at the same time, helps solve the problems of water consumption and wastewater disposal to the environment.